there's a group of, I would say, foods that are good for the kidney function. So first we need to understand. So let me give you the answer first. So fruits that have a lot of water are going to be great for the kidney function. Now, why is that? Because thousands of years ago, people observed that kidney is, they call it a water organ, right? And
Yeah.
it's obviously it makes sense now, right? So they were
Yeah.
super intelligent back then. So they call it a water organ. Guess what? Because it helps with your water metabolism. It's one of the organs, one of the main organs for your water metabolism. And so if it's a water organ, then guess what? When you eat foods that have a lot of water, it's going to help the kidney function. So let me give you some examples, like watermelon. Watermelon, there's tons of water in there, right?
Yeah.
So it comes in the summer, and so it's definitely great for the kidney function. And any of the like cantaloupes, honeydews, peaches, like here in near Austin, we have a city called Fredericksburg, and it used to be really good peaches. Like when you bite down on it, the juice just drips down your arm. And so those types of fruits are especially great to restore kidney function.